Hi, I'm Bel and this is Rory. Welcome
Rory.
to SATV. He is Rory. SATV is an online digital platform that's been created by the South Australian Tourism Commission to showcase how we can support local businesses and operators during this really tough time. We'll also be doing lives, we're chatting to operators, as well as showcasing, of course, some of South Australia's most beautiful regions.
And we want to bring a little bit of South Australia to you. So this week on SATV, we're going to be chatting live with South Australia's very own shark man, Rodney Fox from Rodney Fox Expeditions.
Sharks.
Now, grab another seat because his shark attack story will make your skin crawl and you'll never let me in the water
I know
again.
this.
But ultimately led to the invention of the shark cage. There you go.
That's a plus.
Very good plus. We'll also take you on a virtual experience to one of our favourite beaches on the Fleurieu Peninsula, and that's Salix Beach. We want to get you inspired and excited for your next trip in SA, obviously, when the time is right.
Now, I'm going to leave Aquaman over there, and if gin is more your vibe, gin is where it's at. We're going to be catching up with Sambo from Lot 100, and he's going to take us through how to make a Tom Collins, which is perfect for your next virtual happy hour with friends or family.
Belinda, some people like the outback, like me. So we're going to be chatting to Douglas Sprigg from Arkaroola in the Flinders Ranges, and I'm excited because I get to talk everything astrology and geology with him. So stay tuned.
I'm going to stick with the gin.